Good morning, everyone. Here we go. Finally finished, tucked in, copper washered, tightened. Let me get to the other side and in place. It's gonna be a super short video this morning. We showed y'all the video for the exhaust yesterday. I got all the new clamps and everything in place for the exhaust. That one's in. That one's in. Those took me forever to get in. That had a little bit too much rust on it, so I had to almost damn near cut the bolts out to get that one in. So, but it's in. So now we're dealing with the front brackets. Let me spin to this side. This one's in, so I'm gonna start setting the muffler. Get that in place here. Brackets on. Pipes are over there. Scotty tired. What else? Well, that damn near took half the morning to get those off, so that would explain that. Okay, guys, sorry about the really bad video this morning. We'll show you more as I go along. All right, see ya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are finally done with the exhaust. Tools. Tools. Oh my God. Oh, forgot more tools. Okay. This is finally stabilized. I had to get an extra washer. My dumbass straightened that instead of leaving it alone because I was cleaning it and wanted it to look pretty. Yeah, go figure. Okay, so here we go. We have, ow, that hurt. Nothing. I need 2 more clamps. 1 to go here to pull this up so that there's no scrubby. 1 to go here just to keep it from doing any bouncy, but we are stable, all the way across. I made sure to put all the clamps up. My dumbass should have reversed that one, which I may still do yet, only because that's the type of person I am, because I want it like that. Done and done. Came out beautiful. And done and done. Okay, so I did 2 of them that look stupid. But they're above the frame, so we're good. I'm just gonna leave those alone. Oh my God, finally. It's in and done. Yes, I know I still haven't done that yet. I'll get to that in a few minutes. But Bobby's got the Yaga Dugga. So, oh wait a minute, I've got air tools. Air tools, yeah, air tools. Where's air tools? There's an air thing, isn't there? That's not that one. There we go. Air tools. Can we say blonde moment or old age, depending on what you want to say. Okay, so, oh, that's right. Where did I put them? There. We got e-brake cables. So now I'll take the wheels off, in the rear of course, and get e-brake cables done. God, that's just so pretty. That came out so nice. Okay, sorry. Had to have a moment for myself. So, we'll undo all of this rusty, nasty crap. And of course, more crap to get through to get to the bolt that needs to undo there as well. You guys can see that, so I got to pop that all apart. I don't know if that's going to come apart easily. Followed that through to inside the... Does it come through? Oh, yeah, this is going to be a friggin' nightmare. this goes, because here's the e-brake cable, and that, can I see up in there? Let me see if I can get a light. Try not to move too much. Okay, so that goes up in the floorboard. So I'll probably do the rears first, leave them hang. Get that wheel done, because I still haven't done the bearings or packed it yet. Get that wheel on so I can lower it to pull that cable, which that is going to be an absolute nightmare. I mean, that's screaming nightmare. Oh yeah, that's going to be a nightmare. I want my mommy. Well, if I didn't already love this car and it ain't mine, oh God, I have a tendency to fall in love with things that, well, I wonder if there's a bushing that's supposed to be there. Not sure, but we'll find out. It's probably just, yeah, that's just the pivot point. That's all it is. So we pull it in. See? Pivot point. There we go. More scrapey. But it's gonna be pretty, people. It's gonna be pretty. Ooh. This is how much Scotty doesn't pay attention. I don't know if y'all can see that. Damn, I need to start paying attention. I wonder if I've got cuts all over me. Okay, so when we pull it off, I'll try and get some inside views, which if you guys refer to the previous videos, you'll be able to see where this comes in. Hooks to the bottom of the brakes. It's got literally what would be a half a moon. Its pivot point is right up on the top of the brake shoe. Comes down. This hooks on it. It's got like a fork style that kind of holds it in place, and there's a piece that kind of does one of these numbers so that it pulls on the fork portion, and this kind of holds it in place. Comes through here, through to this junction point to give the stable so that you don't, every time you go to move it, see that? Let's see if I can hold this steady enough. I don't know if I can. See how that moves just that ever so little bit? Doesn't take much. So I'm gonna try and keep the adjustments the same so that when I put the new ones on, there won't be much of an adjustment to do, but same thing. Oh yeah, that side is bad. I can't even get it to move. Damn, okay. Well, yeah, so that you're aware. Passenger side rear, of course, at the bottom, our half a moon, remember? Half a moon pulls this way. And this one is also on the rear, so our half a moon goes this way. They mirror image each other. And it pulls this way. So when it does that, it's got a bar that goes from here to here, front to back. Same thing on the passenger side. Spring loaded, so the spring kind of sits around the bar that looks like this, and it'll push this piece, because when it does that, it'll does one of these numbers. Well, actually, go down here, I'm sorry. It does one of these numbers so that it pushes this bar to go that way, and because this side is spring loaded, it pushes this shoe this way, and in turn grabs the drum and stops it from moving. Thus, you have an e-brake. So you have this one on this side doing the same thing. So we have here that comes out. Spring opens it up, hits. So depending on the vehicle, we've got 1, 2. Some of them are individuals on some cars where you'll have this e-brake cable comes up and there's 2 separate portions. This one's just one cable doing this and the other cable goes up to the pedal. So I hope that kind of helps. I'll show more when I get the drums off again and give you guys a little bit of a view so you get the idea a little bit better. But okay, guys, I've got to get back to work. Get that done so I can drop the vehicle to pull that cable, which is going to be a nightmare, so that I can get these done. Yeah.